Hello. Welcome to the channel. Let's discuss 30 important MCQ question on Jainism and Buddhism. 1. Who was the founder of Buddhism? A. Mahavira. B. Ashoka. C. Gautama Buddha. D. Adi Shankaracharya. Answer. C. Gautama Buddha. 2. Who was the founder of Jainism? A. Rishabhadeva. B. Parshvanatha. C. Mahavira. D. Ajitnath. Answer. C. Mahavira. 3. What is the symbol associated with Jainism? A. Wheel. B. Lotus. C. Swastika. D. Trishula. Answer. C. Swastika. 4. Where did Gautama Buddha attain enlightenment? A. Sarnath. B. Lumbini. C. Bodh Gaya. D. Kushinagar. Answer. C. Bodh Gaya. 5. Which language were the original teachings of Buddha written in? A. Sanskrit. B. Pali. C. Prakrit. D. Tamil. Answer. B. Pali. 6. What is the main principle of Jainism? A. Ahimsa, non-violence. B. Bhakti, devotion. C. Yoga, union. D. Karma, action. Answer. A. Ahimsa, non-violence. 7. In which text are the teachings of Mahavira compiled? A. Tripitaka. B. Angas. C. Vedas. D. Upanishads. Answer. B. Angas. 8. The first sermon of Buddha is known as A. Mahaprinirvana. B. Dharmachakra Pravartana. C. Arya Satya. D. Jathaka. Answer. B. Dharmachakra Pravartana. 9. The concept of anatta in Buddhism means A. Non-violence. B. No soul or self. C. Detachment. D. Compassion. Answer. B. No soul or self. 10. Which of the following is not a part of the three jewels of Buddhism? A. Buddha. B. Dharma. C. Karma. D. Sangha. Answer. C. Karma. 11. The Jain text Kalpasutra is attributed to A. Bhadrabahu. B. Mahavira. C. Gautama. D. Sudharma. Answer. A. Bhadrabahu. 12. What does the term Tirthankara signify in Jainism? A. Spiritual teacher. B. Conqueror of senses. C. Creator. D. Ford maker. Answer. A. D. Ford maker. 13. The Buddhist concept of dukkha refers to A. Happiness. B. Suffering. C. Pleasure. D. Nirvana. Answer. B. Suffering. 14. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jainism? A. Mahavira. B. Parshvanatha. C. Rishabhadeva. D. Neminatha. Answer. C. Rishabhadeva. 15. The sacred symbol of Buddhism is A. Om. B. Swastika. C. Dharmachakra. D. Trident. Answer. C. Dharmachakra. 16. Which of the following is a sect of Jainism? A. Mahayana. B. Theravada. C. Digambara. D. Zen. Answer. C. Digambara. 17. Which ruler converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War? A. Bimbisara. B. Ashoka. C. Ajatshutru. D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer B. Ashoka. 18. The Tripitaka is divided into how many parts? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer B. 3. 19. Which of the following is not a cardinal principle of Jainism? A. Ahimsa. B. Satya. C. Asteya. D. Nirvana. Answer D. Nirvana. 20. The Jain community that wears white clothes is known as A. Digambara. B. Svetambara. C. Vajrayana. D. Mahayana. Answer B. Svetambara. 21. The doctrine of Syadvada is associated with A. Buddhism. B. Jainism. C. Hinduism. D. Sikhism. Answer B. Jainism. 22. What is the ultimate goal of a Buddhist? A. Moksha. B. Salvation. C. Nirvana. D. Liberation. Answer C. Nirvana. 23. Who among the following is known as the light of Asia? A. Mahavira. B. Gautama Buddha. C. Ashoka. D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer B. Gautama Buddha. 24. Jainism believes that liberation can be attained through A. Bhakti. B. Karma Yoga. C. Right knowledge, right faith, right conduct. D. Rituals. Answer C. Right knowledge, right faith, right conduct. 25. The Jathaka tales are associated with A. Jainism. B. Buddhism. C. Hinduism. D. Sikhism. Answer B. Buddhism. 26. Which of the following is not a part of the Eightfold Path in Buddhism? A. Right thought. B. Right speech. C. Right worship. D. Right livelihood. Answer C. Right worship. 27. In Jainism, non-possession is known as A. Ahimsa. B. Aparigraha. C. Asteya. D. Satya. Answer B. Aparigraha. 28. The teachings of Buddha were compiled in A. Rigveda. B. Tripitaka. C. Jathaka. D. Angas. Answer B. Tripitaka. 29. What is the term used for the community of monks in Buddhism? A. Sangha. B. Dharma. C. Bhikkhu. D. Arya. Answer A. Sangha. 30. Which Jain Tirthankara was born in Varanasi? A. Mahavira. B. Rishbhadeva. C. Neminatha. D. Parshvanatha. Answer D. Parshvanatha. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe and comment.